Hey guys, I'm Shrikant, the founder of AppBestie. If you ever had an idea for a mobile app but didn't know where to start, you can use AppBestie to start building your app and get to a point where you can launch it quickly as well. If you ever had an idea for an app but didn't know where to start, that's exactly the reason why I built this. So AppBestie helps indie developers go from idea to build ready apps in minutes. You describe your app, and AppBestie will essentially give you a bundle that'll kickstart your vibe coding journey. AppBestie also analyzes competition, it designs your app flow, and it gives you a complete ready template with build instructions that you can drop right into your IDE tool like Cursor or Cloud Code. So if that sounds interesting, stick around and I'll walk you through the process of how you can get started. So go to appbestie.com and click on the Start Building link here. All right, once you're in your dashboard, go ahead and click on Create New Project. Here, enter in your app idea. So say I want to build an app that helps people track their dead hang time and improve their dead hang time with dead hang time challenges. So an app that helps people improve their dead hang time, um, improve their grip strength, dead hang, incorporate dead hang challenges, etc. And just hit generate app. Okay, so your idea gets enhanced. Some of the key features which would be a good idea to implement are given here. It also analyzes the target audience and the market potential. So next, click on Analyze Competition. So at this point, it analyzes all the competition that are relevant for this niche. It kind of gives you the apps found, the ratings, what are some of the features, what are some of the marketing opportunities, some of the underserved needs. So we'll go ahead and click on Continue to Build icon. Okay. So it creates your app icon. Again, this is just a placeholder. You can change it later. We'll go ahead and click on Continue to Architecture. So at this point, it gives your app's core architecture, the setup, whatever kind of features will be there in the workflow of your app. It gives you some of the services that you might potentially need. Um, yeah, it also gives you your entire app blueprint essentially. So we're going to click on Continue to Build App. So here it basically summarizes whatever was there in the last couple of screens, and you click on Generate with AI. So here it basically summarizes whatever was there in the last few screens, and go ahead and click on Generate with AI button here. Okay, so once it's done processing, you'll get a download link. All right, so once you have your project zip, we'll go ahead and show you the next steps on building the app. Okay, guys, so I have the zip file here. I'm unzipping it. All right, guys, so I've unzipped the file that I downloaded, and this basically is the template for your app. So what you're going to do is you're going to open any IDE of your choice. In my case, I'm going to open Cloud Code. You can use Cursor, Codex, whatever you have. All right. Here, I'm going to open Claude. look at build instructions.txt and build the app. Now at this point, it's going to ask you some permissions. Just continue pressing yes every time it asks you any kind of permission. And this will take about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, guys, so after about 15 minutes, you will see that the phase 1 to 3 is complete. All the apps will be broken down into multiple phases in the instructions. So at this point, you can basically run the app and test it, and you can continue with your phase 4. You can start to make changes and adjustments, but what you have here is a functional app that compiles and runs without any issues. So we'll go ahead and open this app and see how it looks. All right, guys, so I've completed phase 4 from the instructions. And if you look here, it's got a basic onboarding. It's got a basic screen with working stuff. If you start, it'll actually record. I'm running this from my Chrome, so it doesn't have all the features. But if you run it from your phone using Xcode, it'll actually work differently. It has, your progress tracking. It's got some challenges. It's got a leaderboard screen. All this is placeholder data. But the idea is that you have a place to start. You have a basic working, functioning app with basic features. And this kickstarts your vibe coding journey from just an idea to a working app, which you can probably vibe code in a couple of hours. So yeah, thanks for watching the video and give it a shot and let me know what you think.